In today's video, we will talk about the laws around squatting in the United Kingdom. So what is squatting? Squatting is when someone deliberately enters a property without the permission of the owner and starts living there. This is also known as adverse possession. If it is the first time you're hearing about squatting, it might sound like some sort of land theft, but it is legal in the United Kingdom. The law has criminalized squatting in residential buildings such as houses, but any property which does not qualify as residential can be legally occupied by squatters. So what rights can a squatter get if he or she qualifies? If they have lived in a non-residential property for a certain amount of time without the permission of the owner, they can become the legal owners of the property. Now let's look at the qualification criteria for becoming a squatter. Firstly, you must show that you have lived at the property for 10 years if it's registered with HM Land Registry, or 12 years if it's not registered. The squatter must prove that they have acted as the owner of the property for the whole period they have occupied it. They must also prove that they never had the permission of the owner to occupy it, so it should not have been rented to them. Once this criteria has been met, the squatter needs to inform the HM Land Registry by filling in the form which can be found on gov.uk, and they need to provide a written statement of truth. After receiving the application, they will decide if it's valid. They will then inform the original property owner. He or she will then have 65 days to respond if they have any objections. If they raise an objection, squatter's application will be refused. However, if no objection is raised, the squatter will become the legal owner of the property. If a squatter's application is rejected, they can apply again after 2 years, but they must prove that the owner has not made any attempts to remove them, the property has not been reclaimed, and they are still living in the property. The HM Land Registry will usually then register them as the legal owner. That's all for today on UK's squatting laws. I hope you found this video helpful.